how to order on Nike app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can order on the Nike app, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to order on the Nike app, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and open the Nike application here, and then just make sure that you're signed into the account and that you've already registered. And once you've done that, you're basically going to see this type of interface here, as you can find it, where now you simply need to go ahead and select a category or anything that you might want to purchase over here. Once you select a category that you might want to purchase, just select the product that you want to buy, and then just choose its color and size and everything else. And then here you can see also it says me to select the size, so I'll just select that, and then just make sure to select your shoe size here. Now what you can do is just add them to your bag. Now you can keep adding products to your bag as long as how much ever products you want to shop all together. Or just to order this specific product, just head over to the bag section here from the bottom of the screen. Once you head over to the bag section, it will show you all of the products that you've added so far to your bag. And then after you've done that, what you can do is just hit the checkout button here, as you can see, because you can review the total items for that price, and then just hit the checkout option. Now it'll ask you to use Face ID, so go ahead and make sure to verify that. Once it's done verifying, you can enter your delivery details, your payment details, and your purchase summary. And then once you've done that, you'll have successfully went ahead and then basically ordered something on the Nike app. This way you can order something on Nike app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.